Hello, folks. Thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a unique opportunity, folks, so I recommend you seize it today. I have identified this product in the first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Bonus number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. Bonus number 3 shows you how to work like a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high-value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. And bonus number 4 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. It's a straightforward process, and you can easily follow it while only spending about 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. And bonus number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing, how to outsell other affiliates, and much, much more. And this offer includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now let's listen to Shane Ogundale as he introduces AI Gits Hub.
Have you ever heard of websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer? Perhaps you've even bought something on those platforms yourself. It's no secret that these sites do billions of dollars in combined sales. Did you know the freelancing industry is worth $3 trillion? That's because the freelancing industry is exploding, with 73 million freelancers in the US alone. But here's the problem. If you want to make good money in freelancing, you must have some skills you're good at. If you get a wound, you go to a doctor and pay for their skills to heal the wound. The same goes for freelancing. You are paying people for their expertise. And let's face it, not everyone has a marketable skill people are willing to pay for. That's why I decided to do something about it. Hi there, it's Shane Ogundale here. My team of developers used to develop apps for companies like IBM, Google, Adobe, Oracle, Microsoft, and many others. However, we don't deal with larger clients like those anymore, and we decided to help people that truly needed it. We've helped over 128,353 people start their first online business and helped them get traffic and leads rolling in. But putting that aside, ever since ChatGPT was released in October 2022, we've been working on a new app. We created an app that combines artificial intelligence plus freelancing. It's like peanut butter and jelly, or bread and butter. Freelancing plus artificial intelligence is a lethally profitable combination. Introducing AI Gigs, world's first and only app that instantly creates AI-run, Fiverr-like marketplace that sells AI-generated services like content writing, copywriting, images, chatbots, audios, voiceover, translation, videos, and more. Plus, AI Gigs finds and closes clients, processes all orders, and collect payment round the clock while you sleep. AI Gigs uses artificial intelligence to deliver hundreds of different freelancing services that are at the same quality or better than a human. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of doing the work yourself, our AI does the work for you. And not only does AI Gigs deliver the services, it creates your very own freelancing CD that's just like Fiverr, preloaded with gig listings. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just enter any name you want. Or you can ask the AI to name the site for you. Step 2. Activate. Turn on your AI-run, Fiverr-like service marketplace pre-filled with hundreds of gigs in just a single click. Step 3. Profit. AI Gigs finds businesses that need these AI services, closes the deal with the click of the mouse, and gets you paid $1,000 plus over and over again. And after you've done that, you're all set. Your site will be up and running, and AI Gigses will begin fulfilling orders for customers. Yes, you will be able to provide hundreds of different services with the AI without having any knowledge on these topics whatsoever. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on AI Gigs, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action. So no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out, and if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app can create you freelancing sites like Fiverr and provide hundreds of different high-paying services. AI Gigs is the only tool that can pull this off, and it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by doing all your tasks for you. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out AI Gigs risk-free. If you don't like AI Gigs for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money, with zero hassles. That means there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders. So what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get AI Gigs while it's still available for a low, one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.